see me. Bomba clock. Look at the fit. Winter Wonderland. Let's go. Look where we are. Can't even see. There. Musafa, say hi to the people. Are you tired? Are you hungry? Oh, remember to say hi to the people.
Hello, people.
Say hi to the people. I thought you was hungry.
I'm hungry. What are you eating? I want some hot dog.
Alright, you man, we're going to see the fireworks for New Year's. This is the fit. Let's go. Okay, guys.
What's the odd number? What's the odd number?
Wait, shut up. Stop answering her. Guys, what's your New Year's resolution?
To get good grades.
Yeah. What's yours? Just not make this dumb mistakes that I've made from the past again this year, and make sure I will go, by God's grace, I will go to America at the end of year 11, and I will continue doing my doctor residency in America. That's not this year. That's next year. By the end of year 11 next year. By God's grace, I will go to America by the end of year 11. I will do my 6th form college and university, everything in America, and I'll come back. That's so like
America. Why?
Yeah.
But the thing is, I'll be a year back then.
Exactly. Yeah, she has to repeat.
I'm gonna do year 11 twice.
Why?
Basically.
Wait, what do you want to be?
Huh?
What do you want to be?
She want to be a doctor.
Ah, wow, that's nice.
But I want to do it in America.
Wow. Yeah. What's your New Year's resolution?
Just no, I don't know. Gym. You guys are so creative, man. So creative. You just stay at home, shut up. Why should I be stupid?
Does she have a smile line or
She thinks she has a dimple. Look.
Smile. Yeah, sign out, man. Sign out.
Dimple. It's a dimple.
No, it's not.
She has no dimple. Poor girl.
She has no dimple.
Everybody says that it'll be dimple.
No, dimples from being big, you know.
Is it?
It's tired muscles in your thing.
No, it's
If you-
not.
Yes, it is.
It's a
No, it's a tired. It's not. It's a tired muscle in your cheek.
The weakness and it shows that your dimple. That's
Yeah, and also when you're born, the muscle split. Okay? Okay, how are dimples formed?
Are they not? They're
Yeah, and sometimes it's if you have a tired muscle in your chin. Yes, it is. I swear that I used to search stuff out there. When you're a baby. Exactly. It splits in two.
But some,
Okay, so you don't have that though.
I know, I don't have that.
Look like that.
I don't have that. What do you mean split into
What's
two?
the red?
When you're born, when you're in the womb.
You man, yeah, we made it. We made it, yeah. But we gotta go to Waterloo Bridge to see them, and it's not even time yet. What is the flipping time? My phone is like locked at the moment, but we'll check the time later. Why the flip did we leave the house at 7 something, and then we walked it because we're like, oh, we're gonna get there early anyway, so let's just walk it. And we even got food. I'm still not even done with the food. Yeah, we even got food. And then, yeah, I know I'm dark right now. Even though I can't see myself, I know I'm dark. Well, yeah. So, well, I know we were early. We have like, last time I checked the time, it was like 9. How many hours does that make? That's make 3 hours until we can see them. Look how we just have to wait here, yeah? Because by the time look at my mum there, and look at these lot here. And the Joseph just laying down on the lap, and we're just waiting. Yeah.
If I want to
Look, we're here though. But there's bad people. We got a lot of time left. We have like 2 hours left until the actual thing starts. But it's bad people. Bad people. Like, when I say there's people everywhere. There's people all the way down there, and there's people all the way down there. And like they blocked everywhere, so you can't even go. You can't go to the other bridges. It's only this bridge, or then the bridge down there, London Bridge. But you can't see nothing from there.
Yeah, because it's not that. It's too far.
It's not okay. Yeah, it's too far. You man, oh my gosh, yeah. Look at the time. Flip it out, yeah. Look how packed people already. We only have 1 hour, and there's people around me. It's so claustrophobic. Guys, don't come here. It's not worth it, I swear down. Bro, 14 minutes now left. And it's proper packed. And then these two children, Mandy, look at him, he's down there. It's squash, I swear down. Look, this is a girl. They're on our shoulders, yeah, but you know how hard it is to carry a 5 or 6 year old Mandy shoulders. Ask them guys. But yo, we still you know. So we'll be able to see the fireworks. But it's taken. Oh, and I think this is a tourist attraction. I swear down. Don't come here if you're from the UK or from London. Don't come to the tourist attraction. It's not worth it, y'all. Not worth it. I can't buildings were covering the fireworks in it, so you can't see nothing. So don't come, I swear down, don't come. Even tourists, don't come. Tell your family members, tell your friend of a friend, don't come. Waste of time, they blocked the whole road so you can't go there. Okay, so we're gonna go watch The Lion King, but before we leave, I gotta put food for the cat. Look at all this food here. So, this is the fit. Let's go. It's raining, but you know, we're still going. We don't have a car anymore, so we have to go by bus. Life without a car is so sad. But we're supposed to be there at 5. It's like 4 something. Oops. It's like 4 something. And are we gonna get there on time? I don't know, and I don't think so. We're always late. But then, if we even go there at 5, yeah, they do that the advert things and those take so long. So I think we'll get there. I think like the movie will already started, but like we wouldn't miss too much of it. Me and Musafa, we left before the others. So I left my phone at home. So I have to go back and go get it. How can I flipping leave my phone? My phone! Yeah, my phone. I left it. It's on charge in the room. Can you bring it? They got my phone for me, y'all. They got my phone. So, yeah. Now, you are actually leaving. And I don't know the time, so I can't tell you like the time. But, it's probably like 4:45. Just made it to the bus stop. Okay, y'all, we changed the time, so it's now 6:40 that we're gonna go watch the film. Mommy, what did you think of the movie?
Ah, the movie is so lovely. We really enjoyed the movie. Oh, it was nice. Very good.
Musafa, what do you think of the movie? You liked it? That's it? Okay. What did you think of the movie? Huh? It was good. That's it.
It's a bit too long, but
Can't lie. The movie